So, good evening. It's a pleasure to be here. And I start the show. Let me introduce first. I'm Attila, and I was born in Budapest, Hungary. And 2.5 weeks ago, with my friend Manuel, we arrived to Galway. And on Tuesday, I found myself on the stage in a crane bar. And today, I find myself here. And yeah, it's really a pleasure. And I'm gonna play a few self-written songs and a few other folk songs from the Irish and American folk music culture. So I hope you will enjoy it. First I play a song from my newest CD. No, not the newest, but my solo CD. The Guy from a Big Town. This is a little story of mine. A wandering singer coming from a big town. My hands are prepared for the guitar, my heart's prepared for the fight, for the working people and the universal human rights. I question, why do I see hunger in a rich world? I wonder if the women are equal, how can we let them be heard? Oh yes, I'm such a curious guy from a big town. Couldn't stay in my sweet hometown, cause the life there had dragged me down. And now I'm a second-class citizen in another big town. This is not here, that was in Augsburg. The working poor makes a big profit, cause she the products more and more, taking drugs, buying cheap fruit from a second-class store. I can't accept that people with different colors are still treated in different ways. And I don't believe that social problems can be solved by building more jails. Oh yes, I'm such a skeptical guy from a big town. Well, I thought all of us deserve a decent life, sometimes enjoying the sun, but being treated like human resource is not a big fun. I'm not idealist, I believe that the matter shapes the mind, and my mind is a critical, radical, social kind. And it hurts me how the laws of capital just let children die. And it hurts me too, how good men turn into psychopaths in front of my eyes. Oh yes, I'm such a sensitive guy from the big town. Okay, we don't have to change the world, it's changing anyway. But if we hold together, we can do it in a different way. Maybe this is not our time, maybe you don't get my words at all, but the seeds we sow, we never know when they grow. Until then, everyone keeps up the fight in their own way. One feeds the mind, other doesn't strike. One sings on a corner every day. And oh, that's me, the guy coming from a big town. Oh, that's me, the guy coming from a big town.